Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I am here to teach you matrices and determinants, one of the important chapters and easiest chapter. In algebra, this carries more weightage and it is easy to learn, and we'll start with the problems of matrices and determinants. So in my last two classes, first class I gave introduction of matrices with definitions. I hope all of you are thorough with the definitions. And in my second class, I taught you matrix algebra. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, scalar multiplication. In today's class, we will go ahead with problems on matrix algebra. Now, problems on matrix algebra. What are the problems on matrix of algebra? Means addition problems, multiplication problems, like that. So now first we will see 1 mark type questions in matrix algebra and definitions. So now first A they gave 1 0 2, B they gave 1 2 3. They wanted to find AB. A into B. All of you know what is meant by A into B. So A is a matrix, row matrix 1 0 2. B is matrix, column matrix 1 2 3. So when you observe, first you write the order of this. I'll write order. What is the order? How many rows are there? So here I have one row. How many columns are there? 1 2 3 columns, 1 cross 3. Here how many rows are there? 1 2 3. So 3 rows. How many columns are there? 1 column. So here it matches. Number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second. So you can multiply. First you should see whether AB exists or not. How to check whether AB exists or not? If number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then you can multiply. Here you can see number of columns of first matrix is 3. Number of rows of first matrix is second matrix is 3. They are equal. So I can multiply. After you multiply, you will get 1 cross 1 means 1 element. So now we will find A into B. So first I verified whether we can multiply. Yes, we can multiply because number of number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second. So now A into B. How to multiply first row with first column? Corresponding elements. 1 into 1. First row first element into first column first element plus first row second element into first column second element plus first row third element with first column third element. So row with column you multiply and add. So now 1 1s are 1 plus 0 2s are 0 plus 2 3s are 6. So you will get the answer as 7. So you will get one element. This is 1 cross 1. So this is the answer. Next they told A is 1 2 3. They want you to find A dash into A. What is meant by A dash? All of you know A dash stands for transpose. What is meant by transpose of a matrix? When you interchange rows and columns of a matrix, we will get transpose. Now first they gave A, they gave B, they wanted AB. So first row with first column you multiply, you will get one element. This is the matrix AB. Matrix AB is just 7 in square bracket. This is 1 cross 1, 1 row, 1 column, 1 element. Now I will go to the second problem. In second problem, A they want A dash into A. First find A dash. What is meant by A dash? Transpose of A. What is A? 1 2 3 in column. Change it to row. So A dash is 1 2 3. When you interchange rows to column, you will get A dash. And A what is given? What is given? A 1 2 3. Now they want A dash into A. A dash into A. How to multiply? First row with first column. Multiply this. So you will get one first row first element into first column first element plus first row second element into first column second element plus first row third element into first column third element. Simplify this. You will get 1 plus 4 plus 9. So you will get root 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 14. So now you got A dash into A. You got the value called A dash into A. That is 1 cross 1. I hope all of you understood this. A dash into A. What is meant by A dash? Transpose of A. How to get transpose? Change the rows to column. First row is 1, make it as first column. Second row is 2, make it as second column. Third row is 3, make it as third column. By interchanging rows and column, you will get what? Transpose. That is A dash. Then they have given A 3 minus 2 5. They want you to find A into A dash. They want A into A dash. So first A. What is A they give? A column matrix. Can I call this as column matrix? Can we call this as column matrix? Yes. Why? Because it contains only one column. Then I'll write A dash. What is meant by A dash? Change the rows to columns. First row it is first column, second row it will become second column, third row third column. I've done transpose. Change first row to first column, second row to second column, third row to third column. By interchanging rows to column, you will get it. So, il column kottidre and row al bariri transpose baratta. Now, we need to find A into A dash. They want you to find A into A dash. So, how to find A into A dash? So, multiply first. Is it possible? First, we'll see, is it possible? See here, what is the order? Order for this is 3 rows, 1 column. What is the order? 1 row, 3 columns. So, these two are same. Yes, you can multiply. Because number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second, you can multiply. All of you know how to write order of a matrix. What is meant by order of a matrix? Number of rows into number of columns. So, now, number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Therefore, I can multiply. After you multiply, you will get 3 cross 3. So, now how to multiply? First row with first column, that is 3 into 3 is 9. Then first row with second column, 3 into minus 2. So, I will write in 2 steps, 3 into 3, then 3 into minus 2, and first row with third column, 3 into 5. You should not add, because one row with one column you should add, but one row with one column I have done, then one row with second column I am going, first row with third column I am going. Now, second row with first column, minus 2 into 3. Second row with second column, minus 2 into minus 2. Second row with third column, minus 2 into 5. Then third row with first column, 5 into 3. For third row with second column, that is 5 into minus 2. Then 5 into 5. So, simplify this. If you simplify, 3 3s are 9, 2 into minus 6, 2 into 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 5s are 15, minus 6 plus 4 minus 10, 15 minus 10, 25. So, now you got 3 cross 3. So, after you multiply, you should get 3 cross 3, you got it. So, we have done A into A dash. How to do? First row with first column, you multiply, you will get one element. First row with second column, you multiply, you will get first row second element. First row with third column, you multiply, you will get first row third element. Then go to second row. Second row with first column gives you second row first element, second row second element, second row with third column gives you second row third element. So, this is the final answer. Now, A square they want. Question number 3 we have done. Now, we will go to question number 4. A square. What is meant by A square? A into A. So, multiply matrix A with matrix A. I0, 0I into I0, 0I. Now, first row with first column. First row with first column, if I do I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. Then first row with second column, I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. Then second row with first column, 0 into I, 0 plus I into 0, 0. Then 0 into 0, 0, I into I square. Now, simplify this. If you simplify, you will get I square 0, 0, I square. Suppose if they give I is equal to root of minus 1, imaginary number, I square will become how much? Minus 1. Then the answer will be minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Where I means what? Imaginary number. So, I square will become minus root minus 1 the whole square, it will become minus 1 substituted. So, these are all the 1 mark questions based on matrix multiplication. Further, we have problems like this. They will give A is equal to 2x2 and B is equal to, or they have given A is made up of product of two matrices. This is A, it is made up of these two and it is equal to 9. They want, or they wanted to prove x is equal to minus 1. So, we will take A is how much? 2x2 into 135. In between we do not have any sign, means it is into. So, and this value also they give how much? 9. Now, we will do multiplication of this. First row with first column, that is 2 into 1 plus x into 3 plus 2 into 5. After you multiply, we will get one matrix like this is equal to 9. So, now simplify. 2 plus 3x plus 10 is equals to 9 I got. All of you know equality of matrices. I taught you equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have same order. We can say they are equal if they have same order and corresponding element should be same. So, now Here the element is 2 plus 3x plus 10. Further I can simplify. So I will write 3x. What is 2 plus 10? 12. This is the element is equal to 9. So now two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, corresponding elements has to be same. What is the corresponding elements? That is 3x plus 12 is the element here. Here the element is 9. 3x plus 12 is 9. So 3x is equal to 9 minus 12. That is 3x is equal to minus 3. That is x is equal to minus 3 by 3. X is equal to minus 1. So now hence the proof. They want you to show. We got it. So they told A is equal to product of these two. So that is equal to 9. First find product of these two. It will be 3x plus 12 is equal to 9. If two matrices are equal, corresponding elements is equal, means this is equal to this. Solve it, you will get x is equal to minus 1. That's it. I hope all of you got this. Then we have the other important case. Again, product of two matrices is 3. They want you to find x. Same method. So I will take minus 1 x 4, it's a matrix, into they gave a column matrix 1 2 minus 1, and they gave the product value also as 3. So now in LHS whatever we have, multiply. So if you multiply first row with first column, you will get one element, minus 1 into 1 plus x into 2 plus 4 into minus 1, so is equal to what? 3. Further, minus 1 plus 2x minus 4 square bracket, or what is that, matrix is 3. So now minus 1 minus 4, can I write 2x minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 is equal to 3. So now I got two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements has to be same. So equate the corresponding elements. What is the element inside? 2x minus 5. What is the element here? 3. Solve this. So 2x becomes 3 plus 5. So 2x is equal to 8. That implies x is equal to 8 by 2. X is equal to 4. They want you to find x. Last problem they want you to prove x minus 1, but now find x. So we got x. What is x? 4. X is what? Positive 4. Got it? Multiply the matrix. You will get a matrix with one element. So if two matrices are equal, corresponding elements has to be equal. Here 2x minus 5, here 3. Equate them. Solve the equation, you will get x. Then give an example for scalar matrix. To give an example for scalar matrix, first you should know the definitions. What is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. So any example, I will give A is equal to 5 0 0 5. Is it scalar? Yes, it is a scalar. Why? Because it is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Where non-diagonal elements are zeros, and it is scalar because diagonal elements are same. This is a 2 cross 2 scalar, or any example you can give, or I can give B is equal to minus 9 0 0 0 minus 9 0 0 0 minus 9. This is also scalar matrix because it is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. So all of you know the definition of scalar matrix. You can give any one example because they are asking to give an example. So first I taught you how to multiply matrices, and we have done basic simple problems on multiplication and finding x, and one problem based on definition. So in today's class I told you problems based on matrix algebra and definitions we are discussing. Next, A they gave, B they gave, they want 2a plus 2b. They want 2a plus 2b. 2a means what? Scalar multiplication. So now ninth problem, they want you to find 2a plus 2b. So 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 times matrix A. What is matrix A? Column matrix 4 5 6, and 2b. What is matrix B? That is also column matrix 3 4 5. So now you know how to find 2a. How to find 2a? Multiply 2 to each element. 2 4s are 8. This is called a scalar multiplication. 2a means multiply 2 to each element of a. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Plus multiply 2 to each element. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now two matrices. How to add the matrices? Matrix addition is possible if they have same order. Both are having same order. And matrix addition, how to add two matrices? To add two matrices, add the corresponding elements. So that is 8 plus 6, then 10 plus 8, then 12 plus 10. So after you add, what you will get? 8 plus 6 is 14, 18, 22. That's it. This is 2a plus 3. 2a plus 2b. So 2a plus 2b means 2 times a plus 2 times b. How to find 2a? To multiply 2 to each element of a. Here also multiply 2 to each element of b and then add them. Done. Now ninth one, they want you to find x. They told sum of two matrices is equal to 1 2. So now they gave this plus this is 1 2. They want you to find x. So now we'll add them. So when you add 3 plus 2x minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 2. Now 3 plus, if you add 2, if two matrices are equal, corresponding element should be equal. So 3 plus 2x and this is 2, here 1 2. See here you can see they gave equal and corresponding element, second element they are same. So first element and first element should be same because in between we have equaled. So you know what are, when can you say two matrices are equal? They should have same order, they are having same order and corresponding element should be same. So equate the first element to first element. What is the first element? 3 plus 2x. Equate it to first element. What is the first element? 1. So 2x is what? 1 minus 3. What is 2x? Minus 2. So that is, what is x? Minus 2 by 2. What is x? Minus 1. They want you to find x. We got x. So in the second problem, they told sum of two matrices is equal to a matrix. So you add them and equate the corresponding elements, you will get x. Next we have a company sold 22 scooters, 15 cars, 10 buses. So 15, sorry, first is 22 scooters, then 15 cars, then 10 buses. They have sold this in 2 months, in one of the month June. Similarly, they sold 20 scooters, 21 cars, 11 buses respectively, represent in matrix. Matrix means what? So let name it as a capital alphabet, and one month sales you put in one row, other month sales you put in other row. Under scooter, under car, under bus, you write. Means 22, 15, 10. This is scooter, car and bus sales in June. Then October 20, 21, 11. That's all. They want you to represent, this is the representation. A is equal to 22, 15, 10, 20, 21. This. They want you to represent, we have represented. And saying, and other important format. They have given the following matrix shows three friends, Ravi, Asha and Manu, t-shirts and trousers. Ravi 3 t-shirts and 3 trousers. Asha 5 t-shirts and trousers. Manu like this. Write down the row matrix. They want you to write row matrix. What is meant by row matrix? A matrix which contains single row or one row, or matrix with only one row, and representing Manu's belongings. So Manu, if you see the chart, Manu 6 8. So write a matrix A is equal to 6 comma 8. That's all. Matrix means they want row matrix. I wrote a row matrix which contains one row and 2 columns here. It's a row matrix, and they want you to represent only Manu's belongings. In the problem they clearly gave 6 and 8. That's it. Manu has 6 t-shirts and 8 trousers. So by now I have done 1 markers. So first we started problems on matrix multiplication. You know when can you multiply matrix? Two matrices can be multiplied if the number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of second. So if you want to find AB, first you should see M cross N and P cross Q. If these are the orders, first you should see these two. Number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of second. After you find AB, the order of AB will be remaining M cube over by. This is a basic we took, and we have done problems on matrix multiplication, and we have also used A dash. What is A dash? Transpose of a matrix. Then I have done problems based on transpose also. Then we have done problems on A dash A and A dash. Then we have done problems on matrix addition. So these are the problems we have done. Now find x and y. They told sum of two matrices is equal to this. So they want you to find x and y. Simplify LHS. So how to add two matrices? Add corresponding elements. 5 plus 2x. Here minus 3 plus 3y is equal to what? 1 6. So now we got two matrices equal. If two matrices are equal, corresponding elements has to be equal. So equate first one with first one. So 5 plus 2x is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to what? 1 minus 5. So 2x is equal to what? Minus 4. So x is equal to what? Minus 4 by 2. So x is minus 2. Then equate second element with second element, that is minus 3 plus 3y is equal to 6. 3y is equal to 6 plus 3, and y is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9, or y is equal to what? 9 by 3. What is 9 by 3? 3. So you got y. You know, into 3, if it goes that side, become divided by. So now you got x. X is minus 2, y is 3. X minus 2 and y 3. So I want x and y, we got x and y. So now these are all 2 markers. There are also problems based on what? Matrix algebra. Algebra means what? Maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication, scalar multiplication, including some transpose also we have done. So going ahead, we have many more problems we will be discussing, but what I expect from you is, for my next class, please revise the criteria to add and subtract 2 matrices and revise the definitions. Today we have done one scalar matrix. I will continue with further more problems, but I expect you people to become thorough with the definitions and basics of algebra of matrices. Please revise my last 2 sessions, become thorough with definitions, and become thorough with the rules of algebra of matrices, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication, and attend my next session. I will be waiting for you. Thanks for attending the session. Thank you.